Because you're dealing with many different corners at the go-kart track, it's important to apply the correct amount of brake pressure for each specific corner. For a tight corner which has a small radius, like a hairpin turn, you're going to have to brake more than you would do when you're negotiating a corner which is more open and free-flowing, like a 90-degree right or left-hand turn, which is where you'd apply less brake pressure. When it comes to braking, your aim should be to slow the go-kart down as fast as possible. So hit the brake pedal hard and carry the brakes into the corner, and you should feel the kart rotate better towards your targeted apex point. Once the go-kart is slowed down sufficiently, you can get off the brake pedal and get back onto the gas smoothly and accelerate out of the turn. It's important to find the limit of hard braking, because if you brake too hard, you risk the rear end snapping out completely and you can go off in a spin. Additionally, it's also important to identify your braking point for each corner. This is the exact location on the track where you want to hit the brake pedal before the corner. It's tricky to brake at the same point each lap. However, if you can identify a reference point, this can give you a heads up on where the braking point is.